Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a game-changing product that tackles aging, fine lines, and dark spots overnight, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Night Cream, paired with a trial size of the Hydro Boost Facial Cleanser. This duo promises smoother, more youthful-looking skin, but does it really deliver? Let's break it down. Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Night Cream is formulated to target deep wrinkles and stubborn dark spots with the power of retinol, one of the most effective anti-aging ingredients out there. This cream uses a patented technology to deliver stabilized retinol deep into the skin while you sleep. You can expect softer, smoother skin right from the get-go, but with consistent use, it's designed to provide brighter, firmer skin within just a few weeks. One of the standout features of this moisturizer is that it's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, and it's suitable for all skin tones. If you're sensitive to fragrances or certain chemicals, you'll appreciate that it's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, dyes, and phthalates, which are common irritants in skincare. As for the Hydro Boost Facial Cleanser, it's a perfect companion, offering gentle hydration while cleansing without stripping the skin. It's fragrance-free, which makes it suitable for sensitive skin types as well. Now let's talk about my real-world experience. When I started using the Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus Night Cream, I noticed an immediate difference in how smooth and soft my skin felt. It absorbed quickly and didn't leave any greasy residue behind, which is always a plus for night creams. As someone who struggles with hyperpigmentation and the occasional fine line, I was curious to see if this would have a lasting impact. After a few weeks, I began to notice that my skin looked more even and the fine lines around my eyes seemed less noticeable. I did notice a slight tingling sensation the first few nights, which is expected when using a potent retinol-based product. That initial irritation subsided quickly as my skin adjusted, which is a good sign. Just remember, with any retinol product, you should always wear sunscreen during the day because retinol can increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. Pros. The Neutrogena Retinol Pro Plus Night Cream is effective, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. It has a clean formula that's free from fragrance and parabens, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The Hydro Boost Cleanser complements the cream perfectly, giving a boost of hydration while keeping skin feeling fresh and clean without drying it out. Cons. While the cream is fantastic, retinol can be harsh for some people, especially if you have very sensitive skin. If that's the case, start slow and build up your tolerance. Also, since it's a retinol product, it's best to follow up with sunscreen the next morning to protect your skin. In terms of value, this duo comes in at a mid-range price point, which is reasonable for the quality and results you're getting. The addition of the Hydro Boost Facial Cleanser is a nice bonus, offering a full skincare routine in one purchase. When compared to other anti-aging creams on the market, this one strikes a balance between potency and gentleness, making it a good option for those new to retinol or those looking for a solid nightly moisturizer. As for build quality, both products feel luxurious without being overly heavy or difficult to use. The Hydro Boost Cleanser comes in a convenient tube that's easy to dispense, and the night cream jar feels sturdy and elegant on your vanity. If you've used retinol products before, you know that results take time, but with consistent use, this one definitely lives up to its claims. After a few weeks, my skin looked brighter, smoother, and definitely more hydrated. I would recommend this for anyone who's serious about tackling fine lines and dark spots, but still wants a product that's gentle enough for nightly use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. The link to purchase is in the description box.